Well, I was 13 years old and Dad came home from work and he had a learning kit with him he'd bought. And me and my dad learnt the Morse code together. That was 1976. 1976. I studied my butt off to learn it. And I've been using Morse code for 42 years. And yes, it's a language just like I'm speaking. It's universal, which means I can be in any country, regardless of the language they speak. If somebody knows that, I can still communicate with them. Been using it for 42 years. I got it mastered. And I can read every letter it's sent. And if you look after you watch this video, if you look in the upper right hand corner of this video, you'll see my other video linked, which I made a couple years ago. It shows you my certificate that I received from W1AW in Newington, Connecticut. I took a test for proficiency. Yeah, I worked hard at 13 years old to learn it, to master it. Isn't that pretty? That's at 20 words per minute. Been using it for 42 years. I've been using it for 42 years on the ham radio bands. It's an amazing mode of communication. Amazing.